everyone, today we are having our instrumented Pendulum impact testing machine. This machine is designed in accordance with the ISO14856. For the instrumented impact testing machine, it will specially come with the impact force sensor and also rotary encoder, data acquisition, and also the analysis systems. And this equipment will come with a full enclosed protection cover and also an emergency stop button. It will also come with a safety pin to prevent any accidentally drop. And our equipment will come with the double operation functions, either through the touchscreen or with our computer software. Our testing base and the column are integrated and connected by one, which provides the high rigidity and enlarged testing stabilities. Our instrumented impact testing machine gives a deeper explanation and meaning of the different stages of the metal structure, which is a more future development device compared to the traditional impact testing machine.
Twist on E-stop button and release the power button for powering on. Open the PC software and put in the password. Place the impact sample onto testing stand. Set up a new test and fill up the testing parameters. Press up button to lift up the pendulum. Press ready button to release safety pin. Press impact button to drop the hammer and impact. Press ready and down button to put down the pendulum. Generate the final testing result. Check the broken sample and power off.